Hi friend, my name is Rafik. Now today I am going to show you how to configure Kafka into your Azure VM. Let's go to my Azure account first. I have this Azure account. If you go to virtual machines, I have this number of virtual machine in my account. I will use this one, this virtual machine to configure my Kafka. Okay, you can see that IP address here. Now go to Google first. Okay, and search with that sentence Apache Kafka quick start. It will give you one link. Open the first link, and from here you can download the Kafka software. Okay, actually it will download one zip file. Zip file means TZZ zip file, means this zip file for for Linux machine. So I have already downloaded it. Here you can see that file, this one. Now you have to upload this file into your Azure VM. To upload this one I am using FileZilla. You can use any other software as well. So if you open this one, here you can see that I have already uploaded it into that software folder, into my software folder. Okay, now open your putty and log in into your VM using putty. Okay, now let's say I want to configure the Kafka into my OPT folder. So I have the file into my software folder. I have to copy this file from software folder to my OPT folder. So for this one we have one command. We can use that Linux command to copy this one. Let me use this and copy the file from my software folder to OPT folder. Okay, and now go to your OPT directory, do ls. You can see that software here. Now you have to unzip that file into that directory. To unzip this one you can use this command. Let me unzip it. Okay. Do ls. Here you can see that directory. Now go to this directory, do ls. You will get all those necessary files directories there. Now to configure that Kafka, you have to first start your Zookeeper. This version of Kafka come with Zookeeper as well, so you do not need to configure Zookeeper separately. Okay, so first run the Zookeeper. To run the Zookeeper, we have one command. This one you can use this one. Okay, do sudo this one. That is running. Here you can see that Zookeeper is running into that port, 2181 port. Let's say you have a machine where you want to configure that Kafka, but 2181 port is already used by some other program, so you have to change the port. So let me change it before proceeding. Okay, so go to your, just use that one. Sorry, sudo vi. So I have to change that property file. Okay, configuration. Actually, for parties, not for party. Sudo via sudo. Oh, what I am doing here. Here you can see that client port is 2181. So let me change it. Do it. Five one eight one. Okay. Now save it. Now start the Zookeeper again. Okay. Before that, I think we need to stop the Zookeeper, which we have already started. Okay. Let me stop it first. No Zookeeper server to stop. Okay, great. Means it is already been stopped. So let's run it again. Here you can see the port. Okay, 5181. Now it is running on 5181. Now open another terminal, putty terminal. Okay, putty terminal. Now go to your OPT folder, do ls, go to your Kafka folder, ls. So now you have to start Kafka Kafka server. You can say that Kafka server or you can say that Kafka broker. Okay. So before starting the Kafka server, what you have to make some changes in the properties file. Why? Because we have made changes in our Zookeeper port, right? That changes need to be done in Kafka server as well. Okay. So let me open that properties file. It's use this property file. Okay, server.property file. Okay, let me open it. Sudo vi. Okay. Here you can see that one. 8151, you have to make these changes. Let me change it. Okay, another thing you have to do to work it properly, so that anyone can send message or receive message from outside this VM. Means you are in same network, but you are not using this machine to produce or consume Kafka message. Okay, for this one you have to uncomment this line, and then here you can put your IP address. Okay, IP address means IP address of this machine where you configuring your Kafka. Okay, this is my IP address. Paste it. Now save it. Okay, now we are ready to go. Now run this command to start Kafka. Okay. Now here you can see that our Kafka is started. Now let me now we are ready now, but next thing we need to do the verification that all is working fine. To do this verification, what you need to do, you have to open a producer which will produce message, and you have to open consumer which will consume your message. Okay, so let me open another terminal. cd opt allow cd Kafka. Okay, before that, you know that one that Kafka work on topics, right? Means for message transfer, you need to have some topics. So let first create a topics in my Kafka. To create a topic, we will use this command. Okay, this command. Let me change my. Here you can see that I am using this IP address. Okay, so this is my command here. Kafka topics sh create bootstrap server, then your Kafka machine's IP address, its port. Then you can give that factory 1 partition 1 because we are working in single node Kafka. Okay, so let me use this one. Check. Now you have the topics. Now you can you want to, let's say you want to check that how many topics you have, okay, in that machine, in that Kafka. Let's, for this one you can use this one, this command sudo here you can see that topics here. Okay, now let me open my producer which will produce that message. To start the producer, you have to use this command. Okay, this one means that console program console.producer, then your IP address of your machine, means that Kafka machines IP address. Then you have to use the topic. Okay, let me copy this one and go to here and just open it. It has opened. Now you have to open another terminal. Sorry, you have to open another terminal where you actually start your consumer. Okay, now to start your consumer, the similar type of cell programming is already there, so it is there. Here you can see that command. Okay, and you have to use the topic. And now if you let's say we want to see all the messages, okay, from beginning, so use it. now this is your consumer is running here. Now go to your producer and try to write down some message. Hi Rafik, how are you? Just press enter. Go to your consumer. Here you can see the message. So it is, I think it is, this tutorial will help you to understand how to configure Kafka and how to change the port of your Zookeeper, all those things. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like the video and share and subscribe the channel, so that if I make any further video, you will get the video. Thank you very much.